everybody, it's Becky. Welcome back to my channel. I have a bunch of stuff sitting around me that is pretty much what is going to be a random haul. I have stuff from Walmart, Grove Collaborative, Ulta, Children's Play, so kind of just a strange conglomeration of things. But I wanted to share with you guys what I picked up recently, just kind of here and there, things I needed and things that my youngest daughter needed. So if you want to see what I picked up and some free gifts that I have available to you guys, then stay tuned. So I'm going to start off first with what I got from Grove Collaborative, just so that you guys can see what I picked up and how you can get some of this stuff for free for yourself. And I did get a couple cleaning items and I got a couple personal care items. Now, a lot of people talk about Grove Collaborative for their amazing variety of natural and healthier cleaning products, which they are great for, but they also have tons of personal care items like vitamins and feminine products and beauty products, skincare, things like that. So it really is a great place to go when you're looking for natural, healthy, and oftentimes organic options. So one of the things that I got that I'm the most excited about, if you guys have watched my channel for a while, then you know that I'm obsessed with the Acure Beauty Brilliantly Glowing, I think it's called. It used to be called something else. Now it's called something glowing serum. I can't remember what it's called. But I am almost out of the one I've been using, and I've had this like my 5th or 6th one that I've ever used. And I love the Acure brand, but when I saw this one, it's the Citrus Argan Oil. I really wanted to try it because I love anything with a citrus scent, and I love argan oil. I think it's a great oil to use all over for your hair and your cuticles and your body and your face and everywhere. So I picked up the Brilliantly Brightening Citrus Argan Oil. It's got cold pressed argan oil, orange, and ginger oil, and it's for all skin types. But it's 100% vegan, paraben-free, sulfate-free, phthalate-free, mineral oil-free, petroleum-free, silicone-free, and cruelty-free. So they really are just a great company, and I love their other oil that I've been using, so I thought I would give this one a try. But let me just tell you, if this could be made into a perfume, I would wear it every single day. I love the smell of orange, and when I put this on my face, it literally makes my face smell like a juicy orange, which sounds weird, but it smells so good. I even told my husband, I was like, smell my face, smell it, what does it smell like? And he's like, oranges? And I was like, yes, it smells so good. It makes your skin so soft and supple. And especially with the drier weather coming and, you know, air, like the heat on in the house and things like that, this is going to be perfect to use in the wintertime. And I cannot say, I just can't tell you guys how much I love the smell of it. If you like the smell of citrus and orange and all that, you would absolutely love this. So I picked that up. And a good side note is this is a lot cheaper than the Acure oil I was using before, which I cannot remember the name of. Let me go get it. I'll go get it and I'll tell you. That way we'll know what I'm talking about. Okay, so this is the one that I have, and it used to be called something else. Now it's called Brilliantly Brightening too, Glowing Serum, but it's got argan oil, pumpkin, and cranberry. This one's called Brilliantly Brightening, but it's got the orange, the ginger, and the argan oils. I'm not really sure what the difference is as far as the effectiveness of them. They're both for all skin types, so I really don't know. But price-wise, I used to pay a lot more for this. I think this was around $8 or $9. Same size bottle. And the scent of this one is way better than this one. Not that this one's bad. I like the smell of this one too, but this one's amazing. So definitely pick this one up, especially for the price point, and don't be afraid to give it to your kids, your teenagers. You know, if they need a skincare, like a moisturizer for the wintertime or anytime, this I think will be a great option, and it's organic. I also got a soap for my kids. My girls have a bathroom that they share, and then my husband and I have our own bathroom. So I picked up the Grove Collaborative Lavender and Oatmeal Bar Soap. It's got organic coconut and olive oils, and I like to try to get them soap that is more natural. So I thought this one looked like a really great option. And I just think it's so pretty when you see like these soaps like this. It looks so luxurious, and the little bits of oatmeal in there are just gently exfoliating, so definitely something that's good for me or my daughters. But it says lavender and oatmeal bar gently exfoliates with oatmeal and calms the skin with lavender. Even better, it's long lasting and ultra mild, perfect for any and all skin types. So I just thought that would be a good one for them to try. Previously, I'd gotten their bar soap from places like Whole Foods or somewhere like that, so I thought this was a good time to try one of the Grove Collaborative soaps. Also for the girls, I picked up their toothpaste. I can get it at Kroger's and places like that, but I figured if I'm going to go ahead and get this order from Grove, I might as well get a toothpaste from them. It is the Hello Natural Watermelon Fluoride-Free Toothpaste. A lot of you guys have asked me why I give my girls fluoride-free toothpaste. It's not that I'm necessarily anti-fluoride, and they get fluoride treatments at the dentist. Neither of them have ever had, I don't want to say it and jinx myself, they've never had any issues, knock on wood. But they do get fluoride treatments at the dentist. I mainly get this toothpaste not because it's fluoride free, but because it's free of a lot of the other things that I don't want them to have, like parabens or different things like that. So I just feel like it's a good option. No artificial sweeteners, no sodium lauryl sulfates, no dyes or anything like that. And they seem to be okay with it and like it, and it's been working well. So I picked up one of those. Also, pretty much anytime I get an order from Grove, I will pick up my dishwashing detergent. I actually got 3 of these. The other 2 are still downstairs. This is the 7th generation. Is it free and clear? So 0% fragrances, dyes, or chlorine bleach. And it works really well. I've been using this for years now, and it works just as well as Cascade, and it's got a lot less chemicals, so it's better for you. So I picked up 3 of those. And also, this is kind of goofy, but have you guys ever wanted a cleaning product but you didn't get it because you didn't really need it? That sounds really stupid because I get other stuff I don't need technically. Pretty much like 90% of what we buy we don't need. But I've always wanted a fragrance booster for my laundry, but I've never gotten it just because a lot of them are really chemically or they stink. I don't like the way they smell, so I don't want my clothes to smell like that. And I don't like my clothes to smell overly perfumed. You know when you walk by somebody and you can just like straight up smell the Downy or the dryer sheet or the detergent they're using or whatever. I like my clothes to smell good and fresh, but I don't want them to smell like crazy overpowering. So this has been the perfect solution. I've used this a few times now. And funny story, whenever I would go to Whole Foods and walk past the cleaning aisle, like the cleaning laundry detergent aisle, I always smelled the smell and I couldn't figure out which product it was from. And I used to go by and like kind of smell around to see if I could figure out what it was coming from. Turns out it was actually the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day Honeysuckle laundry scent boosters. Now there's tons of different like conventional brands that sell these. Downy has them and other ones, Gain I think has some. They're concentrated fragrance beads that you just shake into your washer. They look almost like, I can't really show you on here, but they look almost like, if you've ever made homemade candles, they look almost like shaved wax kind of. But you can put as little or as much of this as you want to really control how much scent you're adding to your laundry. But I feel like this is a more natural version than some of the ones you can get from like Gain or Downy. They don't have parabens, phosphates, phthalates, artificial colors, animal-derived ingredients. So it's really a lot more natural things that are in this. So sea salt, starch, honeysuckle flower extract, orange peel oil. So just things that are a little bit better options. And I'm just happy because like I said, I've always wanted a laundry scent booster, but just never wanted to add some of those chemicals to our laundry, or I just couldn't find a scent that I liked. So this has been a great alternative, and I'm actually enjoying doing laundry now when I can sprinkle some of this on there and make the laundry smell really, really good. So definitely check out, there's a bunch of different scents that Mrs. Meyer's has of these laundry scent boosters, but I really like the honeysuckle. I think it's a really good one. Okay, so now I'm gonna share with you guys some things that I got that were special from Grove for the month of November that you guys can get for free. Every month, Grove Collaborative has a different new customer offer. I've shared this with you guys before. For the last few months, I've shared with you guys whatever the new customer offer is. November's offer is a pretty big deal. It's the biggest free gift that they've ever given away when I've been kind of shopping on Grove, and I'm a new customer too. I've only been using them for a few months. So this is the biggest deal that they've had. This is one of their highly coveted Mrs. Meyer's Holiday Limited Edition gift sets. And this is everything you get when you use Grove Collaborative for the first time and spend $20. So you get the Mrs. Meyer's multi-purpose spray, and I actually picked the peppermint scent, which is one of her limited edition holiday scents. So you get the multi-purpose spray, you get the hand soap, you get the dish soap, and you also get this 2-pack of walnut scrubbers, which are really good. One side is more spongy and one side is more abrasive. So you get a 2-pack of those. And you get the little cute red caddy, which is super adorable. You get all that for free just by spending $20 in the month of November when you're a new Grove Collaborative customer. Now they do say it's while supplies last, and this being one of their really big sets, and it's got the limited edition Mrs. Meyer scents, which are really hard to find in the stores. It sells out really fast. So if you guys are interested and you've never used Grove before and you want to get this stuff for free, then now is the time to do it. So I really recommend hopping on there, getting a few things, spending 20 bucks, and getting all of this for free. And you get to pick which Mrs. Meyer scent you want. Her holiday scents are the peppermint, which I got, orange clove, which I really thought about getting, but I didn't, and then also the Iowa pine. So those are her holiday limited edition scents. You go to Target to get those, and they're really, really hard to find. And I think usually, isn't this like $4.99 at Target just for this one? So the fact that you get all of this stuff for free just by spending 20 bucks and being a new customer to Grove is a really great deal. Plus, I'm really excited about this little red caddy. I've never had one of the Grove caddies before, so I'm really excited about that. So I wanted to share it with you guys because I really have been enjoying the things that I've gotten from Grove, and their customer service is like stellar. You guys will love them. So definitely check them out. I have a link in the description box for you. If you want to go through that link, you will get all of that stuff that I showed you for free just by being a new customer to Grove and spending $20. If you're a current customer, then you will still get a free gift. You will get a 2-pack of the scrubbers if you purchase through that link. So now is the time to do it, so you can get all that stuff for free before they sell out. So that is everything that came from Grove. I have 2 things that came from Ulta. The first thing is the Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation and Concealer. I cannot tell you how long it has been since I bought a Clinique anything really, but especially a foundation. I haven't worn Clinique foundation probably since high school. No, I take that back. I worked for them. How could I forget? I worked for them very early on in my career. I believe I was like, I don't know, 18, 19. So I worked for them for a little while, and I guess I may have worn their foundation then. But other than that, I'm really happy with drugstore foundations for the most part. But they sent me a sample, Ulta sent me a sample in one of my previous orders of this Beyond Perfecting concealer and foundation, and let me tell you, it is great stuff. Now, I don't know if I plan on using this as a foundation necessarily. It's kind of weird how it has this doe foot applicator, can you see? But as a concealer, it is amazing. It is the best concealer I've ever used, either under eye or just on blemishes. It works perfectly for both. A lot of times I'll have to have one for under eye and one for blemishes. This works perfectly for both things that I'm trying to cover up. And of course I picked up the lightest color they have, which is Breeze. So I got that. And also, and I showed you one of these recently, I picked up another of my favorite liquid eyeshadow from Stila. This is the Stila Shimmer and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow in Cloud. It looks like this. I've showed one in my pre-Disney haul that I got whenever they had, I think I had a birthday reward I got to use, and I got one of these. But this one I got just to have another backup. It is the most beautiful liquid metallic eyeshadow, and it works good with browns, it looks good with plums, and I wear it a lot. I've actually got it on today, just kind of like in the center. So I love this stuff. So I got another one of those just to have on hand. And then at Walmart, I was looking for a body lotion, and I'm really practical about body lotions because a lot of the ones that smell good, well, they're supposed to smell good. Either I think they stink. Like, I don't like any of the Bath & Body Works body lotions anymore. Well, their regular collection. I don't like any of the Victoria's Secret body lotions. A lot of things, either they stink or they give me a headache or they smell different on me than they do in the bottle. So I just, most of the time, I use coconut oil. But you know, sometimes you want to smell good, and especially in the winter, I like to smell like things that smell good, like cake and food and things like that. So when I was at Walmart the other day, I actually found the Dr. Teal's body lotion, and this is the Milk and Honey scent. Even though it's supposed to smell like milk and honey, it smells just like the Bath & Body Works Vanilla Bean Noel to me, which I love the scent of, but I don't use any of their lotions because they have things in them that are not the greatest, and so I don't use them anymore. This is a great option because it does have some healthier ingredients. I mean, obviously it's still not organic and perfect, but it is paraben-free and phthalate-free, and I just really think it smells so good. So I really look forward to taking a shower when I can put this on afterwards because it smells like freshly baked cookies, and I love that. So I have really been enjoying this. Also from Walmart, and this is a really good deal, I feel like. I am so tired of, during homeschool, people having to get up and sharpen conventional pencils. #2 pencils, they just keep breaking. And then my pencil sharpener keeps breaking, so they're having to like use the hand sharpener, and it takes 10 million years and it makes a mess. So I thought, you know what, enough of this with this pencil sharpening business. I went to Walmart.com and I found a 40-pack of big retractable lead pencils for like $7. And I had to order them from the website because they didn't have this big pack in the store. But 40 pencils for $7, I felt like it was a great deal. And I'm just getting ready to just pitch my pencil sharpener and forget it. And just use nothing but retractable pencils. So I picked up a pack of those. And the last thing I got, and this is for my youngest daughter, she needed a new winter coat. And Children's Place pretty much always, even though I don't like them for very many of their clothes anymore, I like to look to them and for their winter coats and things like that. They usually do have winter coats that are pretty cute, and they always have good deals on their website, like 50% off everything or 60% off. Sometimes I'll look at Old Navy too for their outerwear, but I did happen to find this one from Children's Place, and it was 50% off. So regular price was $69.95, but it was 50% off, and then I had a $10 reward, and they have free shipping. So my 8-year-old actually really liked this one. It's a really light pink with these gold stars. It's got the fur around the hood. It's lined with fleece. And the thing that I think she liked about it the most is the sleeves actually have thumb holes, which I've never seen a winter coat that has thumb holes. So I thought that was pretty impressive, and it's a good way to keep their sleeves down and around their wrist when it's really cold outside. And this is a really pretty heavyweight jacket, and it's supposed to be water resistant on the outside. So I thought that was a really good deal, and the little rose gold stars are really cute, and she looks super cute in it. So I was really happy to find that at Children's Place and get her a new winter coat. So that is everything in this random kind of collective haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will have links for everything I can find in the description box below. Of course, I will also have a link for the Grove Collaborative website so you can get on there and see what kind of stuff they offer. And if you're interested and you want to spend $20 and get all of this stuff for free, then definitely check out that link so you can get that for free with your first purchase. So hopefully this was helpful. Make sure if it was, you give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end of this video. If you want to see 2 of my older videos, you can click the links right here. And if you want to subscribe to my channel, if you haven't already, and you definitely should, you can click right here. I upload every single week. I have some links in the description box for some of my favorite stores and products, as well as my P.O. Box address. Check out those links if you're interested in those, and I will see you guys in the next video.